Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with AM/FM audio system, parking sensors, blind spot warning, electronic stability control, steering wheel controls, keyless entry, auto high beam headlamp control, air conditioning, outside temperature display, tire pressure monitoring system, and has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.